Another day, another story. There are several ways you can potentially use chat services to generate passive income. 1. Create a chatbot or virtual assistant using my API. 2. Write a book or course on a topic related to AI or natural language processing. 3. Create a blog or YouTube channel on a topic related to AI or natural language processing. 4. Develop a software application that utilizes natural language processing. 1. Create a chatbot or virtual assistant using my API. First, you'll need to determine what kind of chatbot or virtual assistant you want to create. Consider what tasks or questions your chatbot or virtual assistant will be able to handle, and what kind of audience you want to target. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to create, you can start building your chatbot or virtual assistant using my API. My API provides a natural language processing engine that can understand user input and provide appropriate responses. You can use this engine to create a conversational interface that can interact with users in a natural way. To get started with building your chatbot or virtual assistant, you can use one of the many chatbot development platforms available, such as Dialogflow or BotPress. These platforms provide pre-built templates and tools that can help you get started quickly. Once you've built your chatbot or virtual assistant, you can start generating passive income by charging for access to your service. You can also use your chatbot or virtual assistant to drive traffic to your website, where you can sell products or services. To market your chatbot or virtual assistant, you can use social media, email marketing, and other online marketing techniques to reach your target audience. You can also partner with other businesses or influencers to promote your chatbot or virtual assistant. Keep in mind that building a successful chatbot or virtual assistant can take time and effort. You'll need to continually improve your chatbot or virtual assistant based on user feedback, and stay up to date with the latest natural language processing technologies and trends. With persistence and hard work, however, you can create a valuable service that generates passive income for you over time. 2. Write a book or course on a topic related to AI or natural language processing. To get started, you'll first need to choose a specific topic related to AI or natural language processing that you're knowledgeable and passionate about. This could include topics such as machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, natural language processing algorithms, or chatbot development, among others. Once you've chosen your topic, you can start using my services to research and gather information. You can use my language modeling capabilities to help you understand complex concepts and terminology, and my text generation capabilities to help you create outlines and drafts of your book or course content. Once you've written your book or course, you can then sell it on platforms like Amazon or Udemy to generate passive income from sales. You can also market your book or course on social media, email marketing, and other online channels to reach a wider audience. To make your book or course more attractive to potential buyers, you may want to consider offering additional resources or bonuses, such as templates, cheat sheets, or access to a community forum. This can help increase the perceived value of your product and make it more likely that people will be willing to pay for it. Remember that writing a successful book or course can take time and effort, and you'll need to continually update and improve your content to keep up with the latest trends and developments in the field. With dedication and hard work, however, you can create a valuable resource that generates passive income for you over time. 3. Create a blog or YouTube channel on a topic related to AI or natural language processing. Certainly, let me expand on how you can create a blog or YouTube channel on a topic related to AI or natural language processing using my services to generate passive income. First, you'll need to choose a specific topic related to AI or natural language processing that you're knowledgeable and passionate about. This could include topics such as machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, natural language processing algorithms, or chatbot development, among others. Once you've chosen your topic, you can start using my services to research and gather information for your blog or YouTube channel. You can use my natural language processing capabilities to help you quickly and efficiently analyze and organize large amounts of data and information related to your chosen topic. To create a blog, you'll need to choose a blogging platform, such as WordPress or Blogger, and create a website. You can then start creating content on a regular basis, such as articles, tutorials, or case studies. You can monetize your blog with ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships, generating passive income from viewership. To create a YouTube channel, you'll need to create a Google account and a YouTube channel. You can then start creating videos on a regular basis, such as tutorials, interviews, or reviews. You can monetize your channel with ads or sponsorships, generating passive income from viewership. To market your blog or YouTube channel, you can use social media, email marketing, and other online marketing techniques to reach your target audience. You can also collaborate with other bloggers or YouTubers to reach a wider audience. Keep in mind that creating a successful blog or YouTube channel can take time and effort. You'll need to create high-quality content on a regular basis, engage with your audience, and stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in the field. With persistence and hard work, however, you can create a valuable resource that generates passive income for you over time. 4. Develop a software application that utilizes natural language processing. First, you'll need to identify a problem or opportunity that can be addressed through a software application that utilizes natural language processing. For example, you may want to develop a language learning app that utilizes natural language processing to help users learn a new language more effectively, or a chatbot for customer support that utilizes natural language processing to provide personalized assistance to users. Once you've identified the problem or opportunity, you can start using my services to develop the software application. You can use my natural language processing capabilities to help you analyze and understand the language used by your target audience, and to develop algorithms that can interpret and respond to user input in a natural and effective way. To monetize your software application, you can charge for access to the application or generate revenue through ads or sponsorships. For example, you may offer a free version of your language learning app with limited features, and charge for access to premium features or content. Alternatively, you may offer a free chatbot for customer support that generates revenue through ads or sponsorships from partner companies. To market your software application, you can use a variety of online marketing techniques, such as social media advertising, content marketing, and influencer marketing. You can also partner with other companies or organizations to promote your application to their audiences. Keep in mind that developing a successful software application can take time and effort, and you'll need to continually update and improve your application to meet the evolving needs and preferences of your target audience. With dedication and hard work, however, you can create a valuable resource that generates passive income for you over time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.